Traditional app development forces businesses to choose between speed and control, but that trade-off is becoming outdated. I'm Adam Halvorsen, CEO and founder of NuForm. NuForm is a software development partner that designs, builds, and manages web, mobile, and AI-powered apps and platforms. We operate as your in-house product delivery team, providing the end-to-end capability needed to take software from idea through to launch, continuous improvement, and scale. I've spent around 18 years working in app development, dating back to the early days of mobile. During that time, I've helped deliver hundreds of projects from funded startups through to major organizations, including recently NatWest and Innocent Smoothies. I've seen technologies and development methods change significantly, but I have also seen the same expensive delivery problems repeatedly appear. Traditional development can be slow and capital intensive. Businesses may wait months before seeing working software or receiving meaningful user feedback. AI app builders and vibe coding offer the opposite, incredibly fast development, but often without the engineering foundations needed to support real customers, sensitive data, or complex business operations. We believe the smartest approach combines both worlds, and we call it Hyper Agile Development. It combines the speed of AI-assisted delivery with the experience, engineering, testing, and governance required to build software a business can genuinely depend on. Hyper Agile Development operates through two connected tracks. The first is discovery and design. This focuses on understanding the user problems, exploring solutions, and validating the experience before significant development effort is committed. Using prototypes and modern AI tools, teams can turn ideas into something people can see and test extremely quickly. Instead of discussing what a feature might look like, users and stakeholders can react to something tangible. That creates better feedback, removes ambiguity, and helps identify expensive mistakes earlier. But a working prototype is not automatically a production-ready product. This is where the second track comes in: engineering and release. While the experience is being tested and improved, engineers build the secure backend, data foundations, integrations, and infrastructure needed to support the real application. These two tracks progress together. User feedback informs development, working software creates better feedback, technical discoveries influence the design, and evidence helps the team decide what should be built next. This avoids the delays created when research, design, front-end, and back-end development operate as separate stages. It also avoids rapidly creating an attractive front-end without understanding whether the technology behind it can safely support the business. The objective is speed without chaos. Clear decision points provide control throughout delivery. Before significant investment is made, the team confirms that the concept, scope, and technical approach make sense. Before launch, the application is properly tested, secured, and prepared for real-world usage. AI creates speed across research, prototyping, and development. Experienced engineering and governance ensures that speed is used safely. Launch and continuous growth. Once the first usable version launches, the process continues. The team measures how people actually use the product. It learns where users struggle, which features create genuine value, and which original assumptions were wrong. That evidence feeds directly into the next cycle of discovery, design, and development. This matters because launch is not the point where an app becomes successful. Launch is when the business finally starts receiving trustworthy evidence from real customers. A strong delivery approach that uses that evidence to continuously improve the product as the business, technology, and customer expectations evolve. Businesses no longer need to choose between slow traditional development and uncontrolled AI-generated software. The strongest approach combines both worlds. Use AI and modern tools to prototype, learn, and build faster, then wrap that speed in experienced engineering, testing, governance, and clear decision-making. because the goal is not simply to create working software quickly, it's to create the right software quickly without building something the business will later need to replace.